So, that tells you po kasi there's so many people asking about that. And I saw on your Facebook page na about more than 70% ang gustong pumasok ang ICC. So, yung parang the tides are turning and he's not
Yeah.
as popular as he thinks. What
Yes.
do you think?
Okay. Well, let me clarify yung survey namin. Ano? It's a recent survey. Last week lang natapos yan, Wednesday to Friday. And we already got the results. So in that particular question, medyo pointed siya. Whereas the other survey outfits, sasabihin nila, are you in favor sa pagpasok ng ICC sa Pilipinas? Or are you in favor na bumalik sa ICC yung Pilipinas? Okay? So mga ganon. Pero ito, yung tanong namin, medyo pointed. Ano ang iyong pananaw sa nalalapit na pag-aresto ng International Criminal Court kay former President Rodrigo Duterte? So, if you don't have any idea about the ICC or kung ano man yan, pero the question is clear. How do you feel about the guy being arrested? Ang nagsabi na hindi sila sang-ayon ay 27% lang. Okay? Ngayon, na-combine kasi doon 73% yung sang-ayon tsaka neutral, yung walang opinion. Kasi yung walang opinion, hindi natin sasabihin na hindi sila sang-ayon because the choice of hindi sang-ayon is there and yet hindi yun yung chinika nila. Di ba?
Exactly.
Ibig
Exactly.
sabihin,
So,
they don't
yung
really care.
20 something, yeah, yung 20 something yun yung parang diehard talaga na
Hard na
wag.
ayaw namin, wag. Pero yung walang
Oo.
opinion, ibig sabihin, I don't care either way, kulong nyo yan, hindi, parang ganon. So that is tacit approval. Kaya sinasabi natin, combined siya. Yung sang-ayon is talagang, sige, ikulong nyo yan. Pero yung iba, yung neutral, yung walang opinion, bahala kayo dyan. We don't care. Parang ganon. So yun ang problema. And I agree dun sa sinabi nyo na he's not as popular as he thinks. No?
Mhm.
And malaking bagay dyan, yung fallout na nangyari since late last year and especially late January of this year na nagkaroon ng open war, no? Yung very public yung ginera ni Duterte si President Marcos, pinagmumura niya at sinabihan niya ng kung ano-ano. Kaya yun ang nangyari. Probably he was hoping that he would be able to convince the general public doon sa mga allegations niya because it worked before, no, when he was in power. Yan, kung anong ginawa sa amin, kila Dilima, etc. Pero ngayon, unfortunately, based on the survey, hindi ganun yung nangyari. Ang nangyari, nilayuan siya. Parang ganun.
Kasi hindi na ano nakakapagod na din yung style niya ng pagmumura and I think kahit popular siya, I guess he didn't nag-backfire kasi there's somebody more popular than he is. Kaya nga
Yes.
'di ba sabi niya, what did this guy do nung election time? I remember clearly that he said something like, ano bang ginawa ng taong ito? Why do people treat him like a rock star na hindi naman siya daw impressed or something like that? So, parang nagseselos ito na bakit ganun yung reception kay PBBM. But speaking of yung